Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link your domain to Shopify. We will cover two primary methods: connecting an existing domain you already own and purchasing a brand new domain directly through Shopify. Understanding these steps is crucial for establishing your online presence and ensuring customers can easily find your store. We will guide you through each process, providing clear instructions to get your shop up and running smoothly. By the end, you will have a fully connected domain. To connect an existing domain, first log into your domain provider's account. Navigate to your DNS settings or advanced DNS editor. You will need to update two key records. Change your record to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. Then, update your CNAME record to shops.shopify.com. These changes direct your domain to your Shopify store, making it accessible to your customers. Purchasing a new domain directly through Shopify is a straightforward process. From your Shopify admin, go to the Domains section. Here, you will find the option to buy new domain. Simply enter your desired domain name, and Shopify will guide you through the purchase and registration steps. The best part is that Shopify automatically configures the domain settings for you, saving you time and ensuring a seamless connection to your new online store. After making changes, allow up to 48 hours for your domain's DNS settings to fully propagate across the internet. You can verify the connection status in your Shopify admin under the Domains section. It should show as connected. If your store doesn't load correctly after this period, try clearing your browser's cache. For any persistent issues, do not hesitate to contact Shopify support or your domain provider for expert assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.